Hey guys, it's time to do a battery charging test of the Oppo A3s, and it is a new notch phone from Oppo. It is costing around $208. In this video I'm show you the what is a time this phone is fully charged. So let's start test. First you notice the battery percentage is having a 13%. Let me focus. This phone comes with a 4230 mAh battery. It means this phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery, but it is not support a fast charging. And let's show you the charger, and you can see it is a Oppo default charger. Let's show you the ampere rating, and you can see this phone comes with a 5 volt with 1 ampere charger, not support a fast charging. So it is a cable, it is not long, and you can see it is a micro USB cable. So let's start the test, and I am show you the Wi-Fi, mobile data, and another thing is off and everything is closed up. The background show you simple test, nothing open the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So it is a cable, so let's start the test. And it is a cable, and you can see it is show me the charging is start, and I calculate the time on my Q mobile. Here we go. And this phone comes with the 4230 mAh battery. I am interested to see what is the time this phone is charged up to 100%. So I will be back after 30 minutes. Okay guys, I am back after 31 minutes. I am busy. Let's see the battery percentage on this phone. I think this phone is charged up to 25%. And you can see this phone is charged 24%, and you can see I am very close, and I will be back after 1 hour. Okay guys, I am back after 1 hour, and you can see, and let's see the battery percentage on this phone. And you can see this phone is charged about 35%, and I will be back after 1 hour exact 30 minutes. So see you guys after 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay guys, I am back after 1 hour and 32 minutes. So let's see the battery percentage on this Oppo A3s, and the battery percentage is having a 49%. So I will be back after 2 hours, and see you guys after 2 hours. Okay guys, I am back after 2 hours. So let's see the battery percentage on this phone, and the battery percentage is having a 61%. So it is a very long time to charge this phone, because this phone comes with a 4230 mAh battery. So I will be back after 2 hours and 30 minutes. So see you guys after 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay guys, I am back after 2 hours and 30 minutes. So let's see the battery percentage, and the battery percentage is having a 72%. So I will be back after 3 hours. I think this phone is charged about 3 hours and 30 minutes, and I will be back after 30 hours. Okay guys, I am back after 3 hours. So let's see the battery percentage, and battery percentage is having a 83%. Okay guys, I am back after 3 hours and 50 minutes, and phone is fully charged. And it is very bad thing for this phone, because this phone is charged about 4 hours, and I have to say this phone is very bad in this test. And let me know in the comment section below you want to see some more videos about the Oppo A3s. Subscribe to my channel for future contents, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.